Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to stop fast charging right away. First, remove the USB-C or high-watt adapter and any third-party adapters so charging can be controlled. This avoids sudden high-current delivery. Once done, plug in a standard 5W or low-watt lightning charger if you want slower charging by hardware. Next, open settings and go straight to battery so you can change charging behavior. Make sure to stay with me. These initial steps let software settings take effect and prevent rapid top-ups while we adjust preferences. Now you'll change the settings that influence charging speed. In Settings, tap Battery, then Battery Health and Charging. Here, toggle off optimized battery charging only if it's causing unpredictable top-ups, otherwise leave it on to protect battery health. Next, return and enable low power mode to throttle background activity and reduce charge current spikes. If you have a smart charger or app, set a manual stop threshold around 80% to avoid full fast charges. Together, these steps slow the effective finish by switching to a lower watt adapter or charge from a computer USB port. That hardware change enforces slower current. Make it a habit to unplug at your chosen percent. If you need automation, use a smart plug with a timer to cut power. Once done, observe charging for one cycle to confirm the change. If fast charging continues, restart your iPhone and recheck settings. As a last resort, reset network and home settings, or reset all settings to clear glitches. That often clears persistent charging behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.